Here at Martini Works, we're always adding new parts to the website and different brands so you guys and gals can get what you want for your car. And one of the brands that we just added, of course, was aFe. Very popular aftermarket support for a lot of popular vehicles out there. One of those vehicles being none other than the Volkswagen GTI. So today we have the aFe Power Momentum GT intake system for the Mk8 Volkswagen GTI that we're going to be taking a look at today. Welcome to Martini Works Unbox, where we do just that. We unbox all the parts that we have on our website so you people watching this know exactly what you're going to be getting if you do pick up some parts from martiniworks.com. Just going through a box here, making sure we got everything. Looks like we are good to go. So starting off, this is a full cold air intake system for the Mk8 Volkswagen GTI. Now, I know cold air intake systems do get a little bit of flack. One of the biggest pieces of feedback is that it's not a cold air intake system, it's a hot air intake system because it just allows more hot air to get into the filter. Well, that's why you've seen probably a rise in popularity with these types of intake systems. These are a fully enclosed intake like your stock air box would be, but instead of just using a drop-in filter, it's a completely redesigned air box as well as the intake tube itself to provide a little bit more performance, but still protect against any sort of heat soak that you would get into your intake. So what is all included in this kit for the Mk8 Volkswagen GTI? Starting off with our actual intake box. Now this is made of a plastic material. It's a molded plastic material. And this material that it's made out of is actually really heat resistant. It's what's known as XLPE plastic. And what that means is that it's a polyethylene plastic that has a cross-link structure. And basically all you need to know about that is that it's really good against stress cracking and really good with heat resistance, making it probably the perfect material that you could use for an aftermarket intake. So the actual housing itself is made of that, which is great because it's going to help the filter keep away from any sort of heat from the engine bay. You'll also see that the intake inlet here does utilize the stock inlet for the GTI as well. So no additional mounting or anything required. You are pulling in some cooler air from the outside of the vehicle with the OEM inlet, and you also do have the option to keep this back part open if you'd like extra air, but I would recommend probably putting this little stopper in there just to keep any sort of heat coming in, especially where this one tends to sit in the engine bay. You also notice the little clear window on the top of this. So I've seen this pop up on a lot of newer intakes that are switching to this style of the closed box setup. You still want to see the cool filter that you get with your intake. I feel like that's kind of a bonus for a lot of people, and typically when you shove everything back into a box like an OEM intake, it's like, well, I could have just stuck with the OEM intake, I guess. But this allows you to see your filter a little bit, something that we've seen a lot of brands start to do as they move towards this style of aftermarket intake. So you can get that with the aFe one as well. Moving on to the intake tube. This is made of the same material that the housing is made of as well. Nice molded tube. The inside is extremely smooth in there to help with some airflow. And then it is, of course, optimized for as much airflow as possible compared to the stock intake tube, which you're getting about a 22% increase in overall efficiency just with this tube alone. So good amount of increase of airflow there, obviously translating to a little bit more power and torque, which we'll talk about in just a second. Some of the other parts, of course, include all of your rubber grommets and couplers and things like that. But one of arguably probably the most important parts about your new intake system is the filter itself. So right here is a pre-oiled filter. This is what's known as the Pro 5R filter. Now there are two different versions of this kit. You can have the dry version, which has a dry filter, which doesn't require any sort of oiling or anything like that. Or you have this one that we have here, which this is an oiled filter. Now, basically what I mean by oiled filter is that, yes, it does have a film of oil in it. And it does allow the intake and the filter media itself to be a little bit more open, allow for more airflow. And then it is coated with a type of oil that helps grab those like dirt molecules and particles and stuff as it comes in. So it allows air through, but it kind of is a little bit sticky for that, all the dirt and stuff, so it doesn't find its way through the actual filter media itself. So Oiled filters have been around for a long time. This is a washable and reusable filter. So after so many miles, I would definitely recommend taking this out, giving it a good wash, giving it a clean, and then of course re-oiling the filter. So a little bit more maintenance involved with an oiled system, but they do work decently well. So if you want to go with an oiled system like that allows for a little bit more airflow overall, you can do that. Otherwise, if you just want to keep it simple with a dry system, you can do that too. Now, when it comes to performance benefits of an aftermarket intake, this is where things get a little bit just weird, in my opinion. Are you gonna see just drastic improvements with an aftermarket intake? Performance-wise, not really a ton. Now, if you go ahead and look at the dyno graphs, a lot of these companies love to show their dyno graph differences and things like that. They're claiming plus 7 horsepower and plus 8 foot-pounds of torque. Sorry, pound-feet of torque. I can't remember the engineering term for that. Apparently we say it wrong. It's like pound-feet or whatever. But they're claiming 7 horsepower, 8 pounds of torque, which is a pretty decent increase. But again, when you're pairing this with things like an exhaust or maybe some sort of other tune or anything else you have going on with the car, obviously that's where you're gonna see the most amount of performance gain. When you're going after an intake like this, at least personally, one of the things that I'm going after is opening up that intake noise a little bit, especially if you have a turbo car like the Mk8 GTI. You're gonna open up the turbo noise a little bit. You're gonna hear that diverter valve a lot more, and it's just really fun. Of course, then it does look a little bit better under the hood as well. So performance-wise, yes, you could get a little bit of performance gain. Is it gonna be something that you notice a ton? Probably not, but everyone kind of knows that going into buying an aftermarket intake. One thing to note about this kit specifically is that as of this time filming this video, it is currently not CARB legal. So that means if you are living in California or have a vehicle registered in California, unfortunately, you cannot buy this intake. That's all I'm gonna say about that, all right? CARB restrictions, they are a little bit weird, especially out in California and places like that. So that are CARB exempt, this one unfortunately is not one of them, at least at this time. That could change sometime in the near future, and there could be some other options out there for you, but something important that you should know if that is something you have to deal with. Now, when it comes to the overall installation of this system, at least for the Mk8 GTI, installation is gonna be very straightforward. I've appreciated that a lot of these intake and performance companies have taken the time to really utilize a lot of those OEM mounting points, especially in newer vehicles. Makes installation super easy. When you look at this car specifically too, the intake kind of just sits right on top of everything. So overall, really easy installation. You have some rubber grommets and stuff like that you're gonna use for the stock mounting points. Now, one thing that is cool with this system is that you don't have to worry about like shoving the intake tube in and then mounting the filter and then trying to tighten everything down, because it would just be a little bit of a pain in the butt, especially since this is like a one-piece thing. Now, aFe does have a patent-pended design where the filter itself does just go ahead and lock into the filter housing. So it makes it super easy. This becomes one piece. Your intake tube goes into there, and then you just bolt it up to your intake manifold. It works super well. I like that system a lot. Keeps things really nice, because there have been intakes in the past where, oh, we have this really nice shroud or this box that the filter goes in, but the tube's gonna come in from underneath, and then you have to put the filter on, and then you're trying to like get tools down along the side of this box to tighten the band clamp and everything. It just gets to be a bit of a nightmare. This makes it really nice and easy to install. Now, doing a little bit more research, since I haven't personally ran one of these intakes, I wanted to go out and see what people were saying about it. Some of the customer feedback out there, obviously this is a little bit more of an expensive intake compared to some of the others on the market. This one coming in right now at $420, which is a good amount you're paying for an intake, but you are getting, of course, the ease of installation benefits. It does sound pretty good listening to a lot of the videos out there. Open up, again, that turbo noise, you get some really cool noises out of it, so that is definitely a benefit. And then, of course, you're getting the benefit of this being a closed system, keeping all that hot air out as much as possible compared to a lot of the other open intake systems that are out there on the market for those cars. So when it comes down to it, if you're looking for a closed system where you're not gonna have to worry about sucking in a bunch of that hot air, it's trying to keep it protected as much as possible, ease of installation, you know it's gonna work, you know it's gonna sound good, this is definitely one to take a look at for your Volkswagen Mk8 GTI. So with all that being said, if you are looking to find out more about this system or want to see what's all out there for your car, want to check out some aFe products, you can do all that now over at Martini Works, because we just uploaded pretty much their entire catalog to our website. But if you can't find something that you're looking for, whether it be aFe or any other brand that you might want to snag for your car, make sure to reach out to us. More than likely we can get it. We're just getting it on the site as fast as we can. So go ahead and drop a comment down below, shoot us a message, whatever you need to do to get a hold of us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. I'm Giles from Martini Works. Thank you for watching Martini Works Unboxed. Or something you'd like us to take a look at, let us know. We'll be more than happy to do so. But until then, we're going to keep unboxing some more parts. We'll see you later.